Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. So RetireMint is a digital retirement planning tool designed to help users organize their finances and plan for retirement. It offers a structured approach to budgeting, savings, and setting retirement goals. And here are the major key features about this platform, which also comes with the help plans, incomes, and budget for retirement, track saving, investment, and debit, include tools for business ideas, passive incomes, and relocations planning, and also provide a user-friendly interface with prompts to guide users through the planning goal. And here's the advantages and disadvantages of this platform. So talking about the advantages, they come with a beginner-friendly interface with a clear step-by-step approach and a comprehensive coverage of various retirement planning aspects. Also help users stay organized and focus on their goals. And here's the cons, which is the downside. It has a limited information available about the platform outside of this review, and also may lack some advanced features found in the other retirement planning tools. And here's one verdict about this platform, which is the retirement appears to be a solid choice for individuals seeking a straightforward, organized approach to retirement planning. It is especially suitable for beginners who prefer a guided process. However, those looking for more advanced features or integration may need to explore additional options. Thanks.